Okay.
Sit on the bed. Where do you want? Yeah, sit somewhere. I'll sit with you.
Okay, where's your stocking?
Oh, okay. Oh no.
You expect it to be just jumping at you, here I am? No, it's going to be somewhere.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. The last place we look.
Yes. This thing is large. Oh, great.
Merry Christmas. We love you.
Love you too.
December 25th, 2020
First,
is the year.
the
What did
first
we
thing-
get? Oh my goodness, you already got something. What is it,
Oh,
a spinner?
wheel. Yes.
Just what you always long for.
Okay. It's a wheel. It says there's take a nap, sit in recliner, watch TV, dye your hair blue,
What?
be grouchy.
Who would?
I don't know. But
Those
that's
are,
one of the ones
I guess
I
those
read.
are party spinners things or something.
Another sleep mask. Yay. Sleep mask.
Good, you can give mommy back hers.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, that was hard to pull out. Yes, a pencil sharpener. You need this.
Yes, you do.
There's blunt, medium, and sharp.
I might be coming in and using yours now.
What? There's a hole in my socks, sadly. My feet are too big for them.
What?
There's a hole in my socks.
Oh well.
Ninja erasers. They're like little dudes.
Oh, that looks cute.
Wow. Yes, they are cute.
Oh.
There's red, blue, and black. Oh, okay, this stuff can fall out.
Huh?
But it's a flying glider. It's a Mitsubishi Zero plane.
Yeah, I figure that's a nice little plane.
Oh, that's just a string. Canoodle Extreme. What is this?
Seems like to me this year you weren't even too excited for your stocking this year, huh?
I was. I just don't know what some of the stuff is. Like this.
I don't know. I can't see through the phone here what it is, but it's okay.
Canoodle Extreme.
Okay, it looks like some kind of a game or something.
Yep. This is a key light. It lights up. Oh, I guess it needs batteries. Oh, this costs $10 at Kohl's.
Oh my goodness.
I just looked on the back.
They have to announce the price.
Ah,
That's okay.
what's this? A red beanie.
Beanie.
I want you to try it on.
Beanie. Is it necessary to have the light on?
Huh?
You have the light on.
It's turned on when I turn the video on.
I don't know why.
Because that's like a big part of the video.
It's saying that it does need light. It comes on automatically when it's necessary, like a sensor.
Look cute. Like it.
Oh, jeez.
Those are called beanies?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I thought they were called a hood or something.
No. Here, let me remove the tag
Reversible. Okay.
so you can wear it. I like it.
Next. Okay, this feels like the last thing. Cause
Probably.
oh, it's hard to get out. Nope. I can feel at the bottom. There's still more stuff. Ooh, earmuffs.
I don't know if you'll use them, but you got them.
He's asking for since what?
Third grade.
There you go. You don't need him now.
Well, 3 years later, 6th grade now,
There, you can wear it. Ah.
you got your earmuffs.
It's reversible.
Yes.
So you can wear it like this.
Yes. Or you can wear it the other way. Yeah. You can wear the black.
Oh, okay.
Black.
That's kind of nice to have reverse.
Red.
Yeah. You don't have to wash it as often. You
Black
just
with
turn
red.
it inside out.
I feel like it's making my hair feel. Okay. Okay, last thing.
Oh, okay.
4 gloves. Nice.
Yes.
Now I have like all the winter gear I need. I
Because
have a really puffy jacket there.
Because you never had a gloves before.
I have this. I have this. I have everything.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We love you.
Love you too.
Merry Christmas, mommy.
Merry Christmas. Hold your thing. I'm gonna take a picture of you with your. Excuse me. Hold your stocking.
Okay.
With your name, with your letter. I'll take a picture of you. Don't cover your letter. And I'm gonna take a picture of your socks also. Yep. You gotta learn how to play the canudo.
Yeah.
All right.
Merry
I'm gonna say
Christmas.
bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.